Darling, after loving you, what else is there to do? 'Cause darling, all the rest will just be second best. I know I'll go through life just comparing them to you. I'll be no good to anyone after loving you. Your love can't be replaced with just another pretty face, and heartaches will remain, for they can't be erased. Many loves may come along, but they won't live up to you. I'll be no good to anyone after loving you.